Hey everybody, I'm back. You're back. We're both back. 12b, finding slope. Slope is how steep a line is. If a line is flat, the slope is equal to 0. And m is the letter we use for slope in algebra. But most lines have a slope. They're steep. In math, we find them as the fraction right before the letter x. Look at this first problem. Y equals 1/5 x plus 3. Mr. Fighter, how much is the slope here? Easy. It's 1/5. The slope is the number, is the fraction right before the x. Look at this next one. Y equals -4x minus 1. The slope is that number. If they don't, it's always given as a fraction. So if they don't give it to you as a fraction, like here, just -4, put a 1 below it. M equals -4/1. That's where the slope is. You say, Mr. Fighter, that's it? That's the whole thing here? It comes a little bit tougher, and I'm going to do one other problem with you. Because sometimes y is not all by itself over here on the left. If we don't have that, we have to fix it. And let me do a problem from your homework. X plus 2y equals -8. X plus 2y equals -8. And let me show you what I'm talking about. X plus 2y equals -8. You will notice right away, hey, y is not all by itself. It's got an x there, it's got 2 there. That's right. So I still want to find slope, right? Yeah. Put a 1 in front of that x. And then -1x to both sides. Look what happens on the left. These are gone. They cancel each other out. Bring down the 2 and the y. These will not combine, meaning they stay separate. Look at the, because one is in the x family, the other's in the number family. -1x minus 8. They will not combine, like having apples and oranges. They don't combine. Now we still have to get rid of that 2. 2y means 2 times y. What's the opposite of multiply? Divide. Watch this. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. Everything gets divided. Notice how we divide by the same number and the same sign. We didn't divide by -2 here. We divided by a +2 because this number here is a +2. Goodbye 2's. -1/2x. See how I kind of separated that out a little bit? If you go in your calculator and go 8 negative and divide by 2, you'll get this number, -4. Now that we have y all by itself, now I can tell you what the slope is. Look here. Now that I have y all by itself, I can go grab that slope. It's the fraction right in front of that x. M equals -1/2. Okay? We'll do more of these in class. You'll get it. It'll be all right. All right. Good job. See you next time.